Here we come to the elevators at the Tower 2 Banner Tower. These are Thyssenkrupp elevators from 2010.
These have, I think these are Atoll. Is that what these buttons are called?
MAD Atoll. Fire emergency phone, Simplex. MAD Atoll. It's installed in 2010. One should be coming for us. Wonder which one it is. This is a newer tower. As you can tell, the new lights up there, LED.
Now, these lights are actually what's in Tower 1. They just built this corridor to connect all the towers together.
Yeah, this is a Clarify intercom speaker. Oh, it's this one. Thyssenkrupp Synergy. Yep. Here's the.
On one.
Yep, and probably Dover Buzz.
And we have traditional buttons for door open and close.
Yep, MAD Atoll. These may have been replaced. The traditionals may have gotten replaced. Dover Buzz.
Yep.
You can go up to 6. Anyways.
Opens the other door.
This is definitely Synergy.
Yep.
Let's do the shaft view at 6. Bell trick. And here it goes. Here we go. Cab view. Let's watch the numbers first, then we'll do our cab view.
The buzzer is actually over here.
Yep, it's on the main panel. This is an auxiliary COP.
Good. I think whatever door's gonna open.
That one. Let's see if we can open up the rear.
Nope. No,
Nope.
that door's just for number 2.
All right, let's go down to 2. And the door close button works. We didn't do our shaft view, but we can do it on 2. Here we are on 2. Synergy, of course. Let's see if we can open up both doors.
Nope.
Nope. And
There's someone coming up.
there's up the shaft, Thyssenkrupp Synergy. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.